Fins up, friends. Today I'm here to show you a walkthrough of a St. Bart's. This is Heather, helping you find your best beach life. Let's check it out. I, nor my brokerage, is affiliated with Latitude Margaritaville Watersound, LMWS, or Minto Communities. So as we enter this St. Bart's, got a nice tall ceiling with a tray inset, of course, the transom windows and ledge. But when you first walk in, you can come back here to the first guest bedroom. And this one is an ensuite. So you've got the brown. They chose to add the cabinets there. Lots of space here. You do have the pocket door. Coming out of the first bedroom, you've got a den space here, which again, you can choose to put the doors on. Here's the third bathroom. They designed it to be cohesive, so everything matches. Tile to the ceiling is an option. And here is bedroom number 3. Then when you come out, I love this little ledge, kind of looks over into the dining space, but take it in for a minute. You do still have the vaulted ceilings. This space is quite large, and you can go right into the kitchen. This kitchen, you'll notice, has the double oven package with gas and a wine fridge. They did extend the island, which there's ample space here for that. You do have a breakfast nook, which is especially beautiful on this lot. Okay. You do have a choice of adding a fireplace. Laundry room is quite large. You could put a key drop or a dresser or chest there to make it unique. And now let's go check out the main ensuite. So as you enter, you see the bathroom is the first thing. You've got your water closet and separate sinks. Look at that space. Wow, that's awesome how much space there is there. Nice large shower, and the rain head was an added option here. Pretty pebble floors. You have a closet here and a closet here, so dual closets. And nice ample space. And with many of the main bedrooms, you do have the tray ceiling here as well. All right, let's head out back. So I'd like to point out that in any house floor plan, this would be your standard concrete option. So the way you always know is where the roof line is. That is where your standard patio size ends. So you can extend these. Many of my videos, people have extended the porches and added screens. So for more information, look in the description below. I have the floor plan there for you. All right, let's head out back.